Many people don't know the pollinators is the main reason why we have so much food and so much produce today. There are many different groups of pollinators. There are more than 200,000, and they all play a role in pollinating, such as honeybees, wasps, butterflies, moths, bats, and many more. A pollinator is an insect or animal that moves pollen from one flower or plant to another. They're even moving it to a very specific place on the plant or flower. To make sure pollinators are pollinating, they move the pollen from the male part anther to the female part stigma.
For insects is that humans don't tend to notice if they're there or not. But if people don't start paying more attention, then the consequences could be catastrophic for all of us. In country after country in Europe and beyond, there is evidence of bees, butterflies, moths, and other species disappearing. That knocks on to the survival of birds, reptiles, and fish, which live off the insects. Up the food chain, it will inevitably affect humans.
They pollinate 75% of the crop.
Just remember, the next time you see a bee, don't try to kill it. We need them. We need them. Their jobs are important. The question I asked Ms. Grace was, do you think the population of pollinators may increase or decrease from today, and why? She said it will decrease due to one reason, because the warming of the earth.
We should be afraid of? Bees! Bees are terrifying! Look, they're sucking the blood out of this guy to make honey! Oh, they're dying at an alarming rate? Good! Okay, that was a joke. Bees are, without a doubt, the most important insect on this planet. Not only do they have the best work ethic of any living thing on Earth, which is why none of them are YouTubers, they also pollinate 30% of the world's crops. Don't ask me who pollinates the rest, because I don't know. Without bees, humanity would turn to pure anarchy. Bees are so important that world-famous comedian Jerry Seinfeld made a documentary about the life of a bee and what the world would be like without them. But ever since 2006, bees, just like all the memes say, have been dying at an alarming rate. The scary thing is that scientists don't know exactly the reason for this bee apocalypse, but they think it has to do with new pesticides being used on farms, parasites that kill the bee, and global warming. So once we figure out how to fix those three problems, we'll be in good shape. It's just a little bee pun. We like to have fun around here. Now, what can you, a concerned citizen, do to stop the dropping population of bees? Most likely nothing, because I don't think anyone watching this makes laws about pesticides or stopping global warming. So we just gotta sit back and hope the people who make those laws know the importance of bees. But maybe you should plant a couple flowers just to be on the safe side. The reason I have a fear of bees is that I've gotten stung by a bee not 3
People don't realize the impact of the hardworking bees, but you have to realize you're eating their product, so why harm them?